between Venus and Jupiter. Now, in real life, they're hundreds of millions of miles apart, but tonight in the sky, they're going to look very close together indeed. And even last night, they were causing quite a stir. Anglia viewer Chris Fayers from Bury St Edmunds brought this camcorder footage in. The sight prompted a flurry of calls to Anglia News reporting odd lights in the sky. Tonight, sometime between now and 7:30, Jupiter and Venus, which are really hundreds of millions of miles apart, will apparently merge together in a spectacular optical illusion as they pass in front of each other. It's a rare event. The last time was February 1975. The planetary phenomenon is thought by some scientists to be the same event which created the Star of Bethlehem 2,000 years ago. Well, joining me now is one of the region's most enthusiastic astronomers, Peter Ingram from the Cambridge Astronomical Association. Peter, should we be getting excited about this?
Well, I think so, yes. You know, these things don't happen that often, and it brings everyone's attention up to the sky, and it shows you how dynamic the universe is as well. We tend to think that it's just sort of an inverted saucer with, you know, dots stuck on the inside, and nothing really happens. But you can see something's actually happening now. This wasn't here a couple of nights ago. It'll be here for about another week or fortnight yet, but nonetheless, yeah, you see these two very, very bright objects side by side, and it's interesting.
Where should we be looking to get the best view?
Well, have a look in the west. Follow the bit where the sun sets, go in that general direction, take a line from where the sun has already set to the moon. You can see the moon up there now. Straight line in between the two of them, and a little bit up from where the sun set, and you should see both of them.
Do you think this is really what shepherds saw 2,000 years ago?
Well, probably not, but maybe something like this. I mean, there's no real reason why it shouldn't be this. We don't actually know the date when December the 25th, as it were, was at that time. If we did, it would be easy to be precise. But it could possibly be. Why not? Yes, it's certainly this sort of heavenly event.
Well, it's fairly cloudy here at the moment, but with luck there'll be some clear spells. If not, we've still got a few days to look at it. With that, it's back to the studio.
Yeah, right on cue for the weather. What are the chances of spotting Venus and Jupiter tonight? David Hughes is closer to them than me. He's up on the roof.
Well, we are going to have some clear spells tonight, so the clouds should part here and there to give a tantalising glimpse of the night sky. We should see a bit of Jupiter and Venus, but the problem is the further west you go, the more cloud there is. If we take a look at tonight's weather map, you can see that cloud is pushing in from the west. That's bringing some sleet or snow in the early hours, frosty too and misty by morning. Tomorrow it's a dull start, still some patchy sleet and snow flurries about, but it should become brighter from the north in the afternoon. Cold and windy still, 7 degrees is 45 Fahrenheit, that's the top temperature. And it will turn milder on Thursday. There's patchy rain in the morning, but drier later. If you're out stargazing tonight, good luck. I'm off to get my binoculars now. Back to the studio.
Well, that's what you call a visit to the pub, going to get